Now I am going to take about method overloading and overriding in Java. Method overloading and overriding both concepts are very important concept in Java. Now I am going to take about method overloading. What is method overloading? It allows us to define multiple methods with the same name but different parameter within a class. This difference can be in the number of parameters or the type of parameters or the order of those parameters. That is method overloading. For example, uh, class vehicle. Vehicle is a class. It contains vehicle means any number of vehicle from car or cycle or bike. Any number of எந்த vehicle வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். பட் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் எடுத்துக்கலாம். சேம் ஃபங்க்ஷன் பிரேக் எடுத்துக்கலாம். பிரேக்குன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்களா, இப்போ காருக்கும் பிரேக் இருக்கு, சைக்கிளுக்கும் பிரேக் இருக்கு, அடுத்து வந்து பாத்தீங்களா பைக்குக்கும் பிரேக் இருக்கு, எல்லாத்துக்குமே பிரேக் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா. இப்போ வந்துட்டு பிரேக் இஸ் ஏ காமன். த்ரீ மெத்தட்ஸ்க்குமே நமக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறது, சைக்கிள், பைக் அண்ட் வந்து பாத்தீங்களா கார், மூணுக்குமே நமக்கு வந்துட்டு பிரேக் இருக்கு. காமனான மெத்தட் நேம் வந்துட்டு பிரேக்குங்கிறது காமன் நேம். பட் இதுக்கான ஃபங்க்ஷனாலிட்டி பிஹேவியர்ஸ் வந்துட்டு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒவ்வொரு ஏதோ ஒன்று டிஃபர் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் மெத்தட் ஓவர்லோடிங். ஃபார் கார்ல வந்து எப்படி நம்ம பிரேக் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், லெக் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அண்ட் இதுல நம்ம சைக்கிள் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், hand use பண்ணுவோம். That is the difference of these both vehicles. But the common brake is a common method name. But the difference is the behavior. Some behaviors only change ஆகும். கார்ல வந்து லெக் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், சைக்கிள்ல வந்துட்டு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், ஹேண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். This is the difference of the two classes, two vehicles. Okay, this is method overloading. Method overloading in Java is also known as compile time polymorphism, static polymorphism, or early binding, because the decision about which method to call is made at compile time. When there are overloaded methods that accept both a parent type and a child type, and the provided argument would match either one, Java prefer the method to take the more specific type. This is because it offers a more better match. Next வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா of method overloading. Multiple methods can share the same name in a class when their parameter lists are different. Overloading is a way to increase the flexibility and improve the readability of code. Overloading does not depend on the return type of the method. Two methods cannot be overloaded by just changing the return type. This is the example of method overloading program. The class name is sum. It has three methods, sum. The three methods have the same name, sum. The difference is pathina return type and parameters. That is method overloading. The first method's return type is int. Second method also int. And what is the difference of the two methods mean? The first method have two parameters and second method having three parameters. This is the two difference of these two methods. First method int x comma int y, two parameters. The second method int x int y integer, three parameters. And third method return type is double. The first method and second method, two methods return type is int. இங்கே differ ஆயிடுச்சு. And then parameter வந்து பாத்தீங்களா அங்க int data type use பண்ணிக்கோ, இங்க double data type use பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay, this is method overloading concept. Okay, what are the of method overloading? பாத்தீங்களா it improve the readability and reusability of the program, reduce the complexity of the program. Programmers can perform a task efficiently and effectively. It is possible to access the method performing related functions with a slightly different argument and types. Next concept, method overriding in Java. Method overriding is a type of runtime polymorphism. In method overriding and overloading, it is slightly same, but what is the difference of the two concept is the method overriding pathina same name and same return type and same parameter list. all are same signature. That is method overriding. The method overriding எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? Inheritance யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Parent class and child class. The two classes having the same method name, same return type and same parameter list. That is method overriding concept. In method overriding concept, we use super அப்படிங்கிற keyword யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Whenever the subclass need the immediately accessing the superclass member or constructor or methods, we use super keyword. Okay. What are the key point of method overriding? It required inheritance. Method overriding la inheritance தேவைப்படும். And then method signature including name and parameter must match exactly. In method overriding, return type must be same. Private and final method cannot be overridden. That is method overriding in Java. Next, the example of method overriding. The class name is animal. The animal method having the method is boy, eat. And then dog is a class. This class also contain boy, eat. Same two classes having the same method name, same return type, same parameters. That is method overriding concept. What is the difference of method overloading and overriding? Method overloading is a compile time polymorphism. Method overriding is a runtime polymorphism. Method overloading helps to increase the readability of the program. It is used to grant the specific implementation of the method. In method overloading occur within the same class or different class. Method overriding performed in two classes with an inheritance relationship. The method overloading does not require inheritance. Method overriding always need inheritance. In method overloading must have the same name but different argument. In method overriding must have same method name, same parameter, same return type. Method overloading is a static binding. Method overriding is a dynamic binding. Private and final method cannot be overloaded in method overloading. Method overriding pathina private and final method cannot be overridden. Okay, this is the difference of method overloading and method overriding. The both concept is very important in Java. Okay, thank you.